If you've created a public profile on Snapchat and want to customize how it looks to others, here's exactly how to do it. First of all, open up the Snapchat app and tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon in the top left corner. Then tap on public profile right next to my account and then tap on the pencil icon found on the top of the screen. Here, you can add or change your profile picture, write a short and catchy bio, toggle show follower count if you want others to see how many followers you have, and even grant location access if you'd like to share where you're based. You can also explore other settings by going back and tapping on the gear icon. Here, you can preview your profile, manage your public story, edit muted words, or even access support and notifications. Once you're done, everything is saved automatically. And that's all. That's how you edit your public profile on Snapchat and make it look exactly how you want. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.